What can collaboration do for me? Will collaboration improve business results? Is collaboration worth the investment? These are questions I hear all the time. Let me share a story of how Cisco's solutions for collaboration work for me. The other day on my way out of a meeting, I glanced down at my mobile phone, and with our new visual voicemail, I noticed a message from Dave. He's the VP of Purchasing at one of my biggest customers.
Hi, Steve. This is Dave. As of this morning,
Dave said that the product design on my last bid needed to change because of market conditions. He also told me that one of our competitors already had a similar product using the required design spec, and he gave us 1 week to confirm we could meet the spec and deliver on time. Keeping this customer was critical. This challenge was going to take cooperation all the way from R&D to operations. I've got the Cisco Unified Mobile Communicator on my phone, and my first call was to Mary, my product manager in Dallas. Thanks to single number reach, she picked up right away. In one click, Mary shared her desktop with me using Cisco WebEx. We could see the availability of other team members. I watched her locate Ravi, our R&D go-to guy. He was available and in seconds was on the call with us. We told Ravi about the new requirements. He was confident, but suggested that we check with the factory in China. Remember, this all happened in the time it took me to leave the meeting and walk back to my desk. When I got to my desk, I moved the call with Mary from my mobile phone to my PC. In the meantime, Mary found Sean Lee, one of our plant process engineers in China, and was adding him to the call. Since we now have Wi-Fi phones on the factory floor, instead of getting voicemail, we got Lee. Lee wasn't quite as confident as Ravi. He wanted assurance that the new component needed from the supplier would actually work with our processes. He said he would do a test run within 2 days to be sure everything worked. Even while we were still on the call, Lee was already using Cisco WebEx to reach the supplier. Cisco WebEx lets Lee collaborate and share documents with our suppliers or customers securely through the firewall and all over the globe. Lee posted a question to the discussion board, and soon after our call, he was already getting real-time feedback from the supplier. They exchanged requirements and reviewed timelines. 2 days later, we were all back on a call, and Lee brought the results of a successful test run, complete with a video of the event that he recorded with his mobile phone, transcoded through the Cisco Media Experience engine, and then delivered over a desktop video portal. Since we were using Cisco WebEx, I captured the meeting comments, including Lee's video, so I could use it in my upcoming customer meeting. So while I was meeting with Dave in person, Mary and Ravi joined us using Cisco Telepresence. I assured Dave and his team that we could meet the requirements and showed them the video of Lee's successful test run. They were convinced. The next day, back at the office, Dave called. Before I even picked up the call, I saw Dave's account details because Salesforce.com is integrated with our phone system. Dave said the words I've been waiting to hear. Congratulations, you won the deal. Our investment in Cisco Collaboration tools was pennies compared to the dollars we've saved and generated. We work seamlessly across siloed departments, the supply chain, and around the globe. With this kind of agility, we work as one team without borders. We meet our customers' needs, we innovate, and we leave the competition behind. Collaboration isn't just a vision, it's how we work.